What's up, you guys? Interceptor King here. This is our 2016 all-wheel drive V8 Dodge Charger that was only offered to law enforcement. Runs and drives perfect. It's only got just over 18,000 miles on it and just over 500 idle hours. It's like a brand new car. All-wheel drive V8. We just got the snow off of it, and snow's fun sometimes too, though. So it's got the push to start ignition. Push the button as long as you have the transmitter on you, and it starts right up. It's got a rear view camera system, a backup monitoring system, and if you want an all-wheel drive V8 and you go to Dodge and say, hey, I want an all-wheel drive Dodge Charger or a Dodge Challenger, they're only going to show you V6s because the V8s with the all-wheel drive were not offered to the general public. So the only way for you to get one is to get one that was offered to law enforcement. So now's your chance to have one all-wheel drive V8. It's on ice and snow, regular tires, those aren't even snow tires. Go to interceptorking.com for current inventory, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook. Take it easy.